Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 10 Lite and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find additional settings. Let's tap on it. Now let's enter languages and input and tap on languages at the top. And as you can see, after tapping on it, we will be immediately transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So fortunately in this Xiaomi device, or actually in all of the Xiaomi device, it is so easy to change the language because you have to just find it and tap on it. So let me pick French, for example, and as you can see, it has been immediately set. We just got back to the menu, which is right now displayed in the French language, of course French in my case. So let me change it to English again because I'm not really good at French. United Kingdom, for example, and as you can see, it has been marked. What's more, it is also applied successfully. So basically that's all. This is how to change the system language in your Redmi Note 10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.